You never waste time when you are waiting on God. Kadalasan, bagal na bagal tayo sa Lord. Tayo gusto natin agad-agad resulta agad, answer na prayer agad. Pero the Lord is saying, that's not how I am. I love spending time with you. Tayo naman, we like doing things fast and getting what we need right away. But let me just encourage you. You never waste time when you are waiting on God. God knows what you need, how much you need, when you need it. So, relax. Yun ang gustong sabihin ng Diyos sa iyo. I am in control, even of time. Ganun kahusay ang Diyos natin. Alam niya lahat. And even time, He controls it. Nothing will happen without His clearance, without His approval. So even when you're waiting with Him, you're not wasting time at all. Something big is happening while you are waiting with the Lord.